Hi, I want to tell you about an idea I got from GPEC e-commerce gala yesterday at National Theatre in Bucharest. So the people from BlitzMetrics came and held a presentation, and they suggested that people should do 1 minute videos because people on Facebook, for example, just watch the first 6 seconds, and you need to engage them so that they will watch the whole videos. So I already made some videos. I have a channel just for my screencasts. This one is not very popular, but in the past I've also done other videos, and this one has a few videos. So some people watched my. It has some views. Some people watched my video. Um, you can create screencasts like this with the free program CamStudio. There is another one, Camtasia, and I plan to do more of these in the future. I will link to the software. This one is free, the other one is paid. There are some other alternatives, of course. Um, it's not hard to do, and the content tends to be more engaging. Cheers.